Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I was just exploring Hampstead Heath when I came across a tree that had fallen. And in fact, this tree reminded me of a poem by one of my favorite poets. In fact, he is my favorite poet, the famous American nature poet Robert Frost, and he wrote a poem called On a Tree Fallen Across the Road to Hear Us Talk. And this poem goes something like: the tree, the tempest, with a crash of wood, throws down in front of us, not to bar our passage to our journey's end for good, but to ask us who we think we are, insisting always on our own way. So she likes to halt us in our runner tracks and make us get down in a foot of snow, debating what to do without an axe. And yet she knows obstruction is in vain. We will not be put off our final goal. We have it hidden in us to attain, not though we have to seize the earth by the pole, and tired of aimless circling in one place, steer straight off after something into space. And that is the very beautiful poem On a Tree Fallen Across the Road by Robert Frost. And it is from this book, the Vintage Frost, the selected poems. It is quite lovely. I hope you enjoyed that. And of course, remember, if you're ever in London, be sure to make your way to Hampstead Heath. It is a fantastic place to be. Thanks so much, and remember, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want more amazing videos of London. Bye.